All right, guys, so we've got our keychain shape pretty much done. Only thing really left to do is add our three-dimensional text. So let's get right to that. Our 3D text tool is in the same place as we find that rectangle tool or the circle tool. So if we click on our circle tool, we'll look at that bottom, and there's our 3D text tool. We select that. First things that are real important is the height of our text. So I'm going to use a 10 millimeter height for my text, and the text extrusion height has to be 2 millimeters. You can see those numbers are already pretty much set. The reason I'm going with 10 millimeters is I'm going to type the name of a football team, right? Now, this isn't my team, so don't get carried away. It's your team. Well, I guess it's my team too. Panthers, right? Schuylkill Valley Panthers. So I'm going to make that into Oswald, and I like Oswald when it's bolded. And then I'm going to click OK, and there's my text. And you can see that's going to fit pretty well on that keychain. So this looks pretty good to me. Now I want to show you some things with the size of the text because different things, different size. So I'm going to delete this out, and I'm going to do another text. And this is the thing I want to show you. The height of your text, depending on how many letters are in your whatever you're putting on there, you may want to make your text bigger than that. So I'm going to change my text to size 15, and because this is what I'm doing here, I'm doing number 18, just a number that I saw once. And I'm going to do, let's do permanent marker this time. And again, text extrusion has to stay 2. And I click OK, and you can see that's pretty big too, right? So that size, I made my text bigger because there was less text in my text box, right? So if I've got even less than this, I may even want my text to be bigger still. So let's do one more. Let's go circle 3D text tool. And this, if I just do number 7, right? Then I'm going to make my text even bigger. I'll make it 20 this time. And let's keep it with permanent marker and click OK. And look at that. So again, all 3 of those texts fit pretty well because I changed the size of my text based on how much text there was. You're going to need smaller text if you write more letters, and you can use obviously much bigger text if you use fewer letters in your text. So here we go. This keychain, for all intents and purposes, is done. I'm going to click the Save button. Make sure I give this a name, right? I'm going to name it Emerson Football Keychain. Pretty descriptive. I'm going to click OK. And then the really important thing to do when we're saving in SketchUp is make sure we click on a folder. So I'm going to select my 3D print folder, click the select button, and it's saving right now. And it is saved. So I've saved my file and I'm good. This football shaped keychain is done and ready to be checked off. Good job.